pizza for 59 rupees. Yes, a pizza for only 59 rupees and also a burger for 39 rupees. And guess what? There's a buy one and get one free. This is a place where you can come and enjoy your time at Hungry Point. So now let's get back to our vlog, guys, and enjoy this video. Oh my god, let me go check it out. What's good, everybody? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's Jonathan and welcome back to the Yummy Yonda Show. For those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to click subscribe and the bell button so that you get notified each and every time that I drop. I don't know if you can hear me clearly. The place that I'm at right now is at the road. So guys, I hope that you are going to enjoy this video. Now let's get to business. Guys, this place is very nice and comforting. The chairs, oh my god, there's even a couch. Can you call it a couch? Nah, never mind, whatever it is, it's really beautiful. And look at how the walls are designed. It's very beautiful, well lighted, and the pictures there, they're just fantastic. This place is great. You can come and have your birthday celebrations here and enjoy your time. Oh, I'm now out of words, guys, because this place is really, really nice. Okay, our food is coming right now. Let's just check it out. Guys, all this food just for 357. I got a discount. Okay, now guys, let's see if this food is worth the price. This is nice. Delicious. Number one, this. Let's try out the French fries. They're pretty fresh. I can taste that they were fresh. Salt is more and it's making it well. Frenchy fries, delicious. We are up for the taste only, and then we're gonna take the food back and we'll leave. Nice. Now the aloo tikki wrap. So basically, this is a veg wrap with potato patty inside. I was expecting it to be very, very spicy, but wow, no. This is a surprise to me. Indeed delicious, not worth 71 rupees at all. Now down to the pizza. The base is not even crunchy and it's big, giving me high hopes. Wow. It's not even worth 100 rupees at all. It's supposed to be well, like 250 regular size. Wow. Crazy combination, the pizza and the French fries. Wow. let's go to the aloo tikki burger. I'm sure that the aloo tikki burger is going to be really delicious. Do you know why? Because the aloo tikki wrap was delicious. Wow. See, this is how it is in the inside. There's a lot of veg, onions, tomatoes, and the aloo tikki. Delicious. Wow. So guys, done with the video, and please, if you liked the video or hate the video, just put your comment in the comment section, right? And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because this is how the channel goes on. Bye bro. Nice meeting you. Thanks. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.